called Scary Bear.
Except how did you write it? You wrote Bear Scary, didn't you?
This is called Bear Scary.
Written and illustrated by?
Jennifer Elizabeth Richards.
Right.
Here we go. The children went out to play by themselves. Along came a bear, and what do you suppose? He tried eating the children, but they were too fast. The children ran into the house, and the bear chased him, but he couldn't get them. And for the worst thing, the sky went dark, and it started to rain. Everybody hid in their house in the sun. For the night thing, the sun came out, and the children went out to play, and the bear said, "Can I play with you?" And they said, "Yes, only if you're nice." And so they did. And then it was nighttime. The sky was dark. The bear and the kids went to sleep. And then they played again the next morning, and the end.
Is there a moral to that story? What did we learn from that story?
That sometimes bears try to eat you, but they really don't eat you. They're friendly.
All bears are friendly, or just that bear?
All bears.
Oh. Why was he called Scary Bear?
Oh, because the children called him Scary Bear because he was really scary.
Or I mean Bear Scary.
Because he was really scary, or that was just his name.
I see.
He was friendly, but it was Bear Scary.
I see. Thank you for the story.
Okay.